Isn't that cool? You can't even see him.
Come on.
Ridiculously.
Come on, buddy.
Gosh.
He's thinking about it. Here he comes. Let's get him to come in
Look
here.
at that tongue.
Come on, buddy.
Michelle, hold some food out. He'll come by you.
Come on.
Making his way.
Oh my god, that's disgusting. Look at. He's going for the whole bag.
Like, I know you want it. I know you want to, Debbie.
Make him come in.
Come on in here. You are a giant. Do you want to feed one, love?
Go back here. Look at his eyes. Aren't they pretty? Okay, eat back there.
Hello,
Look at him.
Drea.
Look up at him. It's crazy. Where's the other guy? Can't even see him back there. Come on. Come on in here. Oh. Look at his tongue. What are you looking at? Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Can you move up a little bit so he's closer to the bed? We got a line behind us waiting.